Hello guys, Saul here and welcome to SHEQXEL tutorial. In this video, we are going to look at these two amazing templates. And these are the drill evaluation tool and then the master drill evaluation log. So like most of our templates, we have two types of template that are related to the same process. One is actually an individual evaluation tool, and the one is like a master database of all the evaluation I've been doing. All right, so let's get straight into the individual template. This tool is a unique tool for conducting evaluation emergency drill carried out to gather feedback on the quality of the drill for process improvement. All right, so you're trying to evaluate your performance at the end of the drill. This template is specific to fire drill. All right, so the criteria that we are looking at are all related to fire drill. We're gonna see that soon. All right, so let's get straight into it. Now, the drill evaluation is a set of questions that elicits yes and no responses. All right, and the questions are related to immediate staff response, staff knowledge, fire alarm equipment, and emergency response performance. So pretty much these three areas. So under immediate staff response, we are looking at RACE, that is rescue, alarm, alert, announce, contain, closed, and extinguish. All right. So we're gonna be looking at all these things. These are all specific to fire incident, and then staff knowledge. All right. So the staff follow the emergency response plan. The staff use the closest fire exits. The staff know the location of pull station and fire extinguishers. The staff demonstrate knowledge of shut-off procedures. Pretty much specific requirement to fire drill. Yeah. So as you provide your yes or no responses, all the no responses, get transferred here. I mean, you would have to provide a reason. So if no, what happened? Provide a reason as to why you say no. So this is something that is used by the HSE manager for every drill that is carried out. So this is not for employees to use. This is used by the responsible person for every fire drill that is carried out, just to collate, how the performance was based on this evaluation questionnaire. All right. So as you provide those responses, they get transferred here automatically in terms of the score for the various aspects of the evaluation. So it's immediate staff response 82%, staff knowledge 80%, fire alarm equipment and emergency response performance 80%. Overall score is 81%. So drill evaluation tool to ascertain the performance of a drill based on a set of questionnaire. All right, so as you provide these responses, all the no responses get transferred here, and you need to provide a corrective action. All right, and the person responsible for closing those actions. And then we have the dashboard that shows the performance of the drill. All right, how we performed. So these are the scores, these are the responses, and this is the overall score. 82% is not bad. So the corrective action is being tracked also. So that's what we see here: action open and close. All right, so drill performance, as you can see, these are all the graphs that we use for the dashboard. All right, so this is how interesting this template is in terms of how to use. All you need to do is just provide the date of the drill, the time, the method of alarm, the weather condition, the evacuation time. The timing for evacuation is very important. You put it right here, the total persons who evacuated, the location of the drill, and you provide all these responses. But before that, of course, you have to delete all of them by doing it like this. Okay, and then refresh all. After you do that, all you need to just refresh all. But of course, all the no responses get removed, right? So that's exactly what you see there. So you have to manually delete this section and then come to the dashboard and then go to the data tab and click on refresh all. And that makes the template blank. As you can see, all these reports are gone and it gets ready to start populating your own data. All right, so just provide yes and no response, and every no response you need to explain. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's bring back our data. Okay, and let's refresh all. Okay, so that is it there. We go to our dashboard, you can see everything is back. All right, so this is something that helps you to ascertain your performance and demonstrate it. For example, a target could be the fact that you want to achieve 100% drill score. Now you can see that the first drill we achieved 82%, so we're not able to achieve our target. But this is something that is progressive because you're going to be doing a lot more drills. You're going to see overall performance. All right, how do you gather data on all the drills that have been carried out? And that is where the master drill evaluation log comes in. The master drill evaluation log is to collate all the drill report that we've been gathering over time. All right, so let's get into it. We have a table of content, we have our approved list, so the locations where you've been doing the drills, the source data, and this is basically it. All right, so in the source data, we have the drill number, the location of the drill, the date of the evaluation that or the drill. Okay, because every drill you do evaluation, so you can put the date of the drill, the date of the evaluation, evacuation time. So this one is going to be tracking the evacuation time, the immediate staff response based on the survey. They're all going to be here as per the date of those specific drills. Now, in terms of collating this information, all you need to just go back to this. You click on the drill summary, you copy this, Control C, you come here, you just paste it outside, paste values, okay, to have it right there. Control C again, come here, paste and transpose, and there we have it. Okay, you can delete this one. Okay, so now we've updated our template. We need to come to the data tab, refresh all, and it's update. Okay, so basically this is the dashboard. The dashboard is very unique dashboard. You have the actions that are related to the drills, because every drill that you do, you're gonna find opportunity for improvement when you've done your evaluation, and you're gonna keep a database of those actions in the master action plan. All right, so these are all the actions that are open and close, and then we have the scores for various sections of the evaluation, and then the drill score trend. All right, so every time you do an evaluation, you update, and this is something I believe is going to be very interesting, because January, February, March, so every month you're doing an evaluation of the drills, and you have everything populating. Okay, and then you have the overall score. So the overall score is how far you're going with your drill score as against the target. All right, so the target is to achieve 100% score at the end of the year, but here's how you're performing: 73% score. So this is progressive. All right, you are hoping that by the end of the year it's going to be a lot more. All right, so these are all the report that we use for the dashboard, and pretty much that's it. Okay, evacuation time also is being tracked for you. Like, you've done basically 20. There was a time you did 20 minutes, and then eventually got to 10 minutes actually. All right, so you can sort it in ascending order or descending order. Okay, and that's how you not that's not ascending order. Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so at the end they just look at the most recent score and then see if you indeed performed very well. All right, so that's basically it. This can actually be presented in a form of a line chart also. You can just change the charts and present a line chart if you're interested. So that's pretty much it. This is something that you can use to demonstrate the fact that you have a system in place for trying to improve upon your drill performance, because you set a target of 100%, and overall this the score you've gotten so far, and it's progressive. All right, so thank you all for attention. In case you're interested in this template, all you need to do is just visit us on our website, scroll all the way to the middle and locate the master drill log. Okay, and then also come up a little bit and you see the drill evaluation log, and then click on each one of them. All right, so these are the product pages that you're going to be seeing. You scroll here, you're going to see option to click on the download button right here. If you scroll again here, you see the download button. Just click on it. Okay, click on it, and it takes you to the download page. On the download page, you're going to see the video right here, and then you scroll further down and then make a purchase, and then come right here. So you close this Google Ads. Okay, you can always close it. It takes you to the page. You scroll all the way down, and then you make a purchase. All right, so that's it regarding how to make a purchase. And basically that's it, guys. If you're interested in this template, all you need to just make a purchase. I hope this video has been very insightful. Thank you for your time, and speak again soon in another video. Bye for now.